Hi everybody. I'm going to do kind of a flower blowout. Haven't decided if I'm gonna just blow on it or use a straw, but I am using these Arteza iridescents. I'm using shady orange and dreamy lemon yellow, fiery red, and for the base, I thought this was white, but it is actually playful pink. And I was mixing it on the floor, and it still looked completely white to me. But once I brought it up to the table with these bright lights, I could see that it did have a pink hue to it. So we'll see how it looks. And I'm also going to use Arteza Carmine Red. I thought it needed one non-iridescent color to kind of calm it a little, so to speak. So I don't know how this will look with an okay, I can see the pink now. I don't know how this will look. We will find out, and I probably won't know until it's dry, really. Oh, I must have missed some stirring. Put a little bit more over here. Oh, you can look at my gloves. There you can see that it's not white. Looks purple. Yeah, kind of a little purplish hue, I would say. So let me put a lid on that. Let's put some shady orange down. Some dreamy lemon yellow. Let's do the carmine red. This is such an awesome red if you just want like basic red. Wow, it is spreading in an unusual pattern. I've got oval going on here. And I think I'm just gonna This is more of an experiment of what the colors look like, at least to me. Which is a nice thing about, that's what I like so much about this painting I was going to say genre. I can't think of the technique, not genre. Is that, you don't like it, you just paint over it. But I do like these colors. So I'm going to let it be. Oh, Easy fix. Just have the color go off that side. I'm getting it on all the, I'm making it worse. Alright, I'm afraid to touch it. No touching. I'm going to torch it real lightly. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm glad I torched. Brought out some definition, some interest, spots of interest. So it's hard to tell the iridescence, even for me, without the camera. I think we'll see it more once it dries. So thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will catch you next time. Bye.